In subtracting mixed number, so for example, if you have 2 and 8 over 9 minus 1 and 4 over 5, all you have to do is convert this mixed number into improper fraction by multiplying the denominator by the whole number and then add to the numerator. So 9 times 2 is 18 plus 8 is 26, then copy the denominator 9. Minus 5 times 1 is 5 plus 4 is 9. So that is 9 over 5. And after that, you cannot just simply subtract it. So all you have to do is make the denominator the same by multiplying the denominator 9 by 5, also the numerator by 5. Then you do the same on 9 over 5, that is 5 times 9, and then 9 times 9. Then after that, what is 26 times 5? And that is 130. And then 9 times 5 is 45. So 130 over 45 minus 9 times 9 is 81 over 5 times 9 is 45. Then subtract 130 and 81, and that is 49 over, copy the denominator 45. Then make it lowest term, which is 1 and 4 over 45. So that's it. That's how it's simple. Bye.